Hi there, this is Heather Fayborg. Today we're going to talk about the lattice method of multiplying. I have 42 times 17. Now with this 42 times 17, I'm going to put my 4 here and my 2 here. That represents 42, and my 1 and 7 over here, which represents my 17. Now when we do the lattice method, we're only working with these numbers here, okay? So I asked myself, I start up here in this top corner. It really doesn't matter where you start, but I like starting up here. So what is 2 times 1? Well, that would be 2. So I put a 0 up here because I have a 0 in my tens place and a 2 in my ones place. 1 times 4, again, I have nothing in my tens place, and a 4 in my ones place. Okay, so now I'm done with the 1. I can cross that out. I still need my 4 and my 2 because I need to times them by 7. So what is 2 times 7? Well, that's 14. So I have a 1 in my tens place and a 4 in my ones place. Over here I have 4 times 7, which gives me 28. 2 in my tens place, 8 in my ones place. So now you might ask yourself, well, Ms. Fayborg, what do I do now? I have all these numbers and it looks like a big mess. Well, now I just need to add. So if you look on the sides here where the diagonals are, we're going to start down here, and we always start in the bottom corner, okay? This one does matter. You have to start in the bottom right corner. So what do I have right here? In my box, I only have a 4. So I'm just going to write 4. I don't have to add it to anything. This column right here, this diagonal column, has an 8, a 2, and a 1. Well, I know I can take 8 and 2 really quick and make 10, plus 1 would be 11. But I can only have a single digit down here, so I'm going to put my 1 there and my tens place up here, and I'm going to circle it so I don't forget. So now I get to do this diagonal row, which is 2 plus 4 is 6, plus this 1 I had to carry, which gives me 7. And then there's a 0 up here. I don't have to put anything but a 0. So now my answer to 42 times 17 looks like this. It is 714. Now, if I really wanted to, I could check it, and I could go 42 times 17, and I could go 7 times 2 is 14, 7 times 4 is 28, plus 1 is 29. Put my placeholder. And just a second, let me erase that. 1 times 2 is 2. 1 times 4 is 4. And then I can just add 4. 9 plus 2 is 11. And 4 plus 2 plus 1 is 7. Same as the lattice method. So if you have any questions about this, please leave me a comment below. I know it's a little bit confusing and I went over it a little quick. I may end up making another video on how to do this. The only thing that you have to remember is that it doesn't matter where you start for multiplication, but it does matter where you start for your addition, because if I start up here, I'm not going to be able to carry this 1 anywhere, and it won't trickle down. And also, if you notice, our addition spots kind of line up. Here's my 4 plus nothing, 9 plus 2 is right here, 2 plus 4 is right here with my carried 1. So you can kind of see some similarities in that aspect. Alright, well, thanks for watching. Have a great day.